our batting is not good enough, and it has not been good enough for some time. Let's go back to the scorecard, please. It's not been good enough. अगर एक प्लेयर आपका हाफ सेंचुरी नहीं लगा रहा है और दूसरी साइड पे 140 बॉल पे 140 लग रहा है, पंकज, देयर इज सम इशू, राइट? ठीक है, द माइनर एडजस्टमेंट यू नीड टू मेक विद द पिंक बॉल, फाइन, बट द कंडीशंस आर द सेम. एंड लेट्स आल्सो बी ऑनेस्ट, दीज आर इंटरनेशनल ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्रिकेटर्स. ये भी पिंक बॉल से इतना नहीं खेलते हैं. इनमें से कोई जाके शेफील्ड शील्ड में नहीं खेला ना पिंक बॉल से, राइट? So they made that minor adjustment. We did not. Not a single batter could score a half century in 2 innings. That's a very telling point ki boss, our batting is not good enough right now.
Absolutely, Chetan. Yeah, I think this is going to be, or this was, before the test series, I would have said this was a battle between two teams who are not having a great batting lineup, because Australia's batting was also not doing really very well. But they have caught up and we haven't. I think somewhere down the line, we really haven't prepared for a 5-match series. Remember, a 5-match series is a different ball game. It's kind of a flavor. It comes up. It's like cooking a cuisine, उसके लिए हम लोग तैयार नहीं हैं. We are so much into the shorter format game mentally also. See, ultimately, please remember, even the best of the best in the world will have a basic problem because they are humans. The muscle memory is there. Do you see the kind of shots that our players play? Because they're so muscle memory to the white ball and they're playing it against the red ball. They have to play it. Look at Virat Kohli. We're not criticizing, but the fact is we haven't really prepared for this test series as a 5-match test series. It's a season. It's a long thing. And that's why I said we need proper test specialists. Yes, we have some successful batters who are there, but you said it, Chetan, they're not scoring. So we really haven't prepared as far as the batting is concerned for this particular test series. That's what I would say.
Gigi, is it just a matter of preparation? Or is it a combination of two of our star batters not really scoring any runs? The youngsters are playing modern day cricket. When I say modern day cricket, कि सीधी बॉल आ रही है, उस पे आप फ्लिक कर रहे हैं. यशस्वी जायसवाल उस पे आउट हुआ, शुभमन गिल 2 बार उस पे आउट हुआ. You think of a VVS Lakshman who was a brilliant stroke maker, लेकिन वो सीधा खेलते थे इन बॉलों पे. जो आपकी मिडिल स्टंप पे आ रही है, आप उस बॉल को फ्लिक करने नहीं जाओगे. मिडिल स्टंप पे यॉर्कर आ रही है, आप उसको फ्लिक कर रहे हो. You should be playing straight, right? Shubman Gill twice in two innings to the same bowler, Mitchell Starc. So it's a combination.
Second innings, I thought he got a good ball, really good ball. Gill got a really good ball second innings. So I mean, the way it was again, Mitchell Starc at his best. So I would sort of give him a bit, and also coming back from the injury. So thoda sa test match उन्होंने miss किया, bit rusty, looked good actually in the middle till the time that he was there. But yeah, Shubman Gill also, like KL Rahul, needs to prove himself outside. Needs to generally prove himself in test cricket. उनका भी average कुछ खास नहीं है. बहुत टेस्ट मैच हो गए अब. और ये मुझे बहुत चिंता का विषय लग रहा है कि एक तो हमारे जो 2 बड़े हमारे पिलर्स हैं, वो तो उनका तो टाइम आ ही गया है कि अब उनको at one point obviously they will phase out of the game, but you have, and very soon at that, I think the next generation, the KL Rahuls and the Shubman Gills, they are inconsistent right now, and my worry is that Yashasvi Jaiswal, there's 161 and there's 2 ducks and there's a 24. That's not good enough, he needs to take the series by the storm if we have to win it, but at the same time they will also need support from the senior players, which has been missing. अब ये बात हो रही है कि रोहित शर्मा ओपन करने जाएंगे, ये मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. वो नंबर 6 पे तो खेल नहीं पा रहे हैं. अब ये गावस्कर और रवि शास्त्री लोग सब कह रहे हैं, जो क्रिकेटिंग हमारे स्टॉलवर्ड्स हैं, कि he should have opened in the first place and he should open in the next test. जब वो जिस तरह से खेल रहे हैं, I don't know, the way I saw him in Mumbai struggle against the fast bowlers, I think Oruk and that other guy, it was really this thing. He was struggling. Short ball थोड़ा सा हुआ, उन्होंने ऐसा खेला बिल्कुल. तो I don't know, as if it was Perth, at Wankhede on a turning track. So I don't know. चिंता का विषय है बैटिंग बहुत ज़्यादा, और definitely something needs to be done about the way things are going. I don't know if Rohit can even do a Mike Dennis of what Mike Dennis did in 1974-75, as Abhijit sir was saying the other day.